Hello guys, I am from GovGraph Math Sahab. I am going to discuss some concepts and questions related to inverse trigonometric functions, chapter 2 of NCERT 12 Maths. Now here I have written principal value branch. Let principal value branch equal to theta. Then first concept, sin inverse x in bracket sin theta equal to theta. When it will be possible where theta belong to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 closed interval. Second concept, cos inverse ब्रैकेट में cos थीटा इक्वल टू थीटा वेयर थीटा बिलोंग टू क्लोज इंटरवल 0 कामा पाई क्लोज इंटरवल. कंसेप्ट नंबर 3, tan इनवर्स tan थीटा इक्वल टू थीटा वेयर थीटा बिलोंग टू ओपन इंटरवल माइनस पाई बाई 2 कामा पाई बाई 2 ओपन इंटरवल. फोर्थ कंसेप्ट is cot इनवर्स cot थीटा इक्वल टू थीटा वेयर थीटा बिलोंग टू ओपन इंटरवल 0 कामा pi open interval. And fifth concept is cosec inverse cosec theta equal to theta where theta belong to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 closed interval semicolon theta is not equal to 0. Sixth concept is sec inverse sec theta equal to theta where theta belong to closed interval 0 comma pi closed interval semicolon theta not equal to pi by 2. Now here I have discussed no principal value branch will be there when sin in bracket sin inverse theta equal to theta. So here you can see in first concept here sin in bracket sin theta sin in bracket sin inverse theta bracket close equal to theta. Here you can see sin is there. Here sin inverse is there. The sin inverse means 1 over sin and here sin is there. The sin will be in numerator and sin will be in denominator. Both sin will be cancelled out. It becomes theta. But here you can see trigonometric functions are written sin in bracket sin inverse theta. That is one angle. If you take sin inverse theta as an angle, then it will become sin lambda या sin y equal to y या whatever case may be, it will become. But here you know all trigonometric functions are non-invertible. So here inverse will not be possible. That's why in this case sin theta is there. So in case of sin theta you can't find inverse. Therefore sin in bracket sin inverse theta bracket close equal to theta, it will become no condition will be applied here. So simply remember here trigonometric function sin in bracket sin inverse theta equal to theta, it will become no condition will be applied here. Here second concept is cos in bracket cos inverse theta equal to theta, no conditions. Third concept is tan inverse theta equal to theta, no conditions. Fourth concept cot inverse theta bracket closed equal to theta, no conditions. Cosec in bracket cosec inverse theta bracket closed equal to theta, no conditions. Sec in bracket sec inverse theta equal to theta, no conditions. Here you can see, compare this one. Here you can see sin inverse is there and here only sin is there. So in this case no principal value branch will be there. Now come out to next. Here I have taken one question here. Prove that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Now take solution here. Let this term, first term, sin inverse x equal to theta. So here I have written let sin inverse x equal to theta. The x equal to sin theta it will become. Imply that x equal to sin theta. Imply that x equal to sin theta can be written as cos pi by 2 minus theta. You know, cos 90 minus theta, it will go in first quadrant. In first quadrant you can see pi by 2 minus theta. It will go in first quadrant. First quadrant, all trigonometric function will be positive. And here you can see pi by 2 is there. The sine will be converted into cos and cos will be converted into sine. Vice versa will be there. And here you can see pi by 2 is there. That's why sine will converted into cos, or here it can be written like this. Now you can see here cos, this cos will bring back to here, go in denominator, push back to in numerator, it will become cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus theta, implies that cos inverse x and minus theta is there in right hand side, that will be moved back to left hand side. There it will become cos inverse x plus theta equal to pi by 2. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. Here theta equal to sin inverse x. I have put the value theta equal to sin inverse x here. So you know cos inverse x plus sin inverse x equal to pi by 2 it will become. Now second question I have taken here, prove that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Now let in same way as question number 1 here I have solved. Let tan inverse x equal to theta. So here tan inverse is there in left hand side, that will move back to right hand side. In right hand side it will become 1 over tan inverse, that will move back to numerator, it will become x equal to tan theta. Imply that x equal to and this tan theta can be written as cot pi by 2 minus theta. Now here you can see cot theta. No, cot is there in right hand side, that will move back to left hand side. So it will become cot inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus theta, and minus theta will bring back to left hand side, it will become cot inverse plus theta equal to pi by 2. Cot inverse x plus theta, value of theta you can write here tan inverse x. So here you can write cot inverse x plus theta equal to pi by 2, imply that cot inverse x plus tan inverse x equal to pi by 2. Now come out to question number 3 here, prove that sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal to pi by 2. Let this value, this is the first term, sec inverse x equal to theta. So here you can write x equal to sec theta. X equal to, and this sec theta can be written as cosec pi by 2 minus theta. This cosec will bring back to left hand side, it will become cosec inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus theta, imply that cosec inverse x plus theta equal to pi by 2. Cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x equal to pi by 2. Here theta, value of theta you can put here sec inverse x. Same way I have put here cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x equal to pi by 2. And here I have written the formula, trigonometry formula, sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta whole over 1 plus tan square theta. Let here tan theta equal to x. The theta equal to tan inverse it will become. So here you can see sin 2 theta is there. This sin is there in left hand side, that will move back to right hand side. So in right hand side it will become 1 over sin. That will become sin inverse. So here I shall write imply that 2 theta equal to sin inverse in bracket 2 theta whole over 1 plus tan square theta. In place of theta you can write tan inverse x. So here I have written 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse, and in place of tan theta you can write only x. So here it will become 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse in bracket 2x whole over 1 plus x square bracket whole. Condition is that minus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. These are the some formulas and concepts related to inverse trigonometric functions. Today I have discussed